Let's do a bag haul. These are all from the app that shall not be named, so shh. I have like 12 bags to show you guys today, so we're gonna speed through this. First bag is absolutely stunning. It is this classic flap in this tweed material. Guys, look at that. Has gold hardware. Oh my god, actually, she's really good. Has the diamond stitching in it still, but like look at the pattern. Pocket on the back. Oh my gosh, I'm in love. Has that zipper pocket on the inside, and of course the flap, and the inside is green. But yeah, guys, she's seriously gorgeous. It comes in a bunch of different patterns. This is my first time getting a bag like this. I'm obsessed. Next bag is also a classic flap. This is just a classic black and gold caviar flap. Who doesn't love a classic? This one looks really good too for being from the app, you know? So I love her. Gold is perfect on her, the perfect shade. And inside looks pretty good. Yeah, she's cute. This bag is a little similar, it's just smaller. It is a wallet on chain, black and gold as well. This one's really great quality. This is probably the best quality one that I've gotten so far. Like, look at that, that looks really good. Comes with a crossbody strap that you can also turn on itself to make it like short. I'll show you later, but the inside has a zipper pocket and another one and just card slots. So it's truly just a wallet on chain bag. And when you fold the chain, it looks like that. And it's literally just the perfect running out of the house bag. Like, next bag is a small little shoulder bag. This one's a new style that just came out. Oh my God, I'm obsessed. Black caviar again, champagne gold hardware. This one is real leather too. Hello, yes, I love this. It's just like a really cool new style that they came out with. And the inside just looks like this. So you get two little flap pockets there. It's a pretty small bag, so it's good for going out. You can also turn it into a crossbody. So she's multifunctional, and I just love the shape. It's kind of giving like pochette. Next few bags are from this brand, and we're gonna start with this one because she's gorgeous. It is this mini lady bag DHgate in the gold lizard print. Guys, this is about to be my new going out bag. With the shoulder strap so you can wear it like that. Like, that is so cute. Comes with the charms, obviously, but I'm obsessed. The gold on it is perfect on the hardware. Comes with just a crossbody strap that matches the bag as well. And then the inside is completely leather, so oh, I'm in love. I'm a gold girl. So next we have a wallet on chain bag. This one is a gorgeous maroon patent leather. Also comes with the chain. You can detach it if you want, so you can just make this a wallet. Here's how it looks on the inside. So super spacious. Can't fit your phone, unfortunately, but can definitely fit a lot for just running out of the house. We have another wallet on chain bag. This one is adorable. This baby pink with the bow. This is a new style from Jonathan Anderson. We love as well. Has a pocket on the back. Like, just look how cute that looks with my nails. Comes with this gold chain that has bows throughout. As you can see, this is how it looks on the inside. Completely leather. Can maybe fit your phone. Yeah, can definitely fit your phone, but really, really, really pretty, and comes in a few different colors as well. Next is a bag from this brand. This one's super cute. Little leather and canvas saddle bag, gold hardware, really easy to just wear with anything. I think it's very preppy, kind of horse girl vibes. The shape is really interesting too. This is how it looks on the inside. So it's all leather, real leather. Also adjust this to make it longer too, into like more of a shoulder length style. But I don't know, I think this one's just like cute, preppy chic, and good to pair with just like jeans and a white top. Lastly, we have a couple wallets. First wallet is so cute. It matches the bag that I just showed. It's the bow wallet in the baby pink as well. Imagine having both. That is so cute. Comes with the charm details and also a zipper pocket on the inside. This is just kind of like a classic wallet, so you get some card slots, some space for cash and your coins. So yeah, this one's real leather as well. Last wallet is from this brand, and this is just a long wallet. Love the monogram canvas, and then the inside being pink, and look at that. Oh my gosh, that is so cute. Comes with a lot of room for stuff, has a clear pocket for your ID, a lot of pockets for cash, even has a zipper wallet in there. I feel like you could even fit your phone in there if you didn't have a case on it. Like, yeah, if you're a girl that fits a lot into her wallet, this is literally perfect for you. And then this is how it looks on the other side. Well, that was everything I had to show you guys today. Thank you so much for watching. Hope you enjoyed, and I'll see you next time. Bye.